Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is May the 17th, 2018, and I'm here with some of my tulips that have actually stopped blooming. They're finished for this season, and they've actually formed a seed pod on here. And what I wanted to talk to you about today is the importance of removing these seed pods. What these seed pods actually do is they will continue to drain the tulip bulbs of their energy, and we don't want them to do that. We want the tulip bulb to recharge its energy so that it blooms for us next year and does really good. So I'm actually going to be just snapping these off, and this, okay, I'm gonna have to, okay, I was gonna have to get a pruners for it. You can also use like a scissors if you choose to. And I'm taking these off so this will keep my tulip bulbs, nice and charged. And this is also a good time to feed them so that they'll recharge for next year. And you can feed them with like a bloom boost. I normally feed mine with a sugar, Epsom salt, and bone meal mixture. I don't have Epsom salt right now that I use for these, so I can't show you how to feed them right now. But you can just get like a bloom boost or a bulb food. I'll put some links down below for some good plant foods to feed your tulips with. But definitely, sorry about that, take your seed pods off of your tulips. And that's really going to help your plants out. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll try to put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.